Welcome to futureedgevision, your ultimate destination for understanding the world of technology. Here we uncover and explore the latest advancements that are shaping our future. From the smallest microchip to the most sophisticated AI systems, we delve into how they are revolutionizing various industries and what potential futures they hold. Today, we're going to dive deep into the intriguing world of AI robotics and its transformative impact on various industries. Let's embark on this journey to discover the future today. The first industry we're going to look at is healthcare, where AI robotics has made significant strides. Artificial intelligence and robotics are joining forces to revolutionize the health sector in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. Their integration is paving the way for a new era in medicine, improving efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility in patient care. Consider surgical robots, for instance. They are transforming operating rooms around the world. The Da Vinci surgical system is a perfect example of this. This sophisticated robot, controlled by a surgeon from a console, allows for precision beyond human capabilities. It's not about replacing the surgeon, but enhancing their abilities. Da Vinci's tiny robotic hands can maneuver in ways human hands can't, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery time. Robots aren't just assisting in the operating room, they're also making waves in diagnostics. AI-powered diagnostic tools are revolutionizing radiology, using complex algorithms to analyze images and detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. By combing through thousands of medical images in seconds, these AI applications can spot minute abnormalities that even the most trained human eye might miss, leading to earlier interventions and improved patient outcomes. Beyond surgery and diagnostics, AI robotics is even reshaping patient care. Patient care robots are emerging as a powerful tool in healthcare, assisting in tasks ranging from medication management to companionship for the elderly. These robots, equipped with AI, can monitor patient vitals, remind them to take their medicine, and even provide social interaction, reducing the burden on human caregivers and improving the quality of care. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI robotics in healthcare is vast and largely untapped. As technology continues to evolve, its impact on healthcare will only grow, offering more efficient, personalized, and accessible care. Indeed, AI robotics has made healthcare more efficient and accessible, improving the quality of patient care. Scene script. Next, we venture into the manufacturing sector, another field experiencing the transformative power of AI robotics. The manufacturing industry has historically been the backbone of the Industrial Revolution, and now it's at the forefront of the AI Robotics Revolution. The conventional assembly lines, once populated by human hands, are now being taken over by AI-powered robots. These robots are not just replacing humans in performing repetitive tasks, but are also surpassing them in precision and consistency. Take the example of car manufacturing. AI-powered robots are now responsible for everything from welding body parts to installing windshields and painting the exterior, all with a level of precision and speed that human workers could never hope to match. And it's not just about performing the task faster or more accurately. These robots can also work around the clock without breaks, dramatically increasing the production capacity of these factories. But the contribution of AI robotics isn't limited to the assembly line. Quality control, a critical aspect of manufacturing, has also seen significant improvements with the introduction of AI. Automated quality control systems can now detect even the smallest irregularities or defects in products that could easily be missed by the human eye. These systems use machine learning algorithms to learn from past inspection data, continually improving their ability to spot defects and irregularities. Furthermore, the use of AI robotics in manufacturing has also led to significant improvements in worker safety. Robots can be deployed for tasks that are hazardous for humans, such as dealing with toxic substances or operating heavy machinery. This has resulted in a drastic reduction in workplace accidents and injuries. The impact of AI robotics on manufacturing has been profound, increasing efficiency, productivity, and safety. The automation of assembly lines and quality control, along with the improvement in worker safety, are just a few examples of how this technology is shaping the future of manufacturing. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI robotics, we can only expect this impact to grow even further. The impact of AI robotics on manufacturing has been profound, increasing efficiency, productivity, and safety. Finally, let's turn our attention to the retail sector, where AI robotics is creating a new shopping experience. The retail landscape has been transformed with the advent of AI and robotics. These technologies are not just confined to behind-the-scenes operations, they're also revolutionizing the way customers shop. Let's consider Amazon, a pioneer in implementing AI robotics in their operations. They leverage automated warehouses to streamline their inventory management. Thousands of robots work in harmony, sorting, picking, and packing items, thereby reducing human error and increasing efficiency. This allows Amazon to provide fast and reliable delivery services, setting a new standard in the e-commerce sector. And it's not just about efficient inventory management, AI is also enhancing customer service in retail. AI-powered customer service bots, also known as chatbots, are becoming increasingly common. These bots can handle multiple customer queries simultaneously, provide personalized product recommendations, and offer 24/7 customer support. This not only improves the customer experience, but also frees up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. By integrating AI and robotics, retailers can analyze customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns, enabling them to offer a more personalized shopping experience. This technology-driven approach to retail is not just about improving efficiency, it's about understanding and catering to the evolving needs of the modern consumer. Through AI robotics, retail businesses can offer a more personalized, efficient, and seamless shopping experience to their customers. AI robotics is indeed revolutionizing various industries, creating more efficient and effective processes. We've traversed an enlightening journey today, exploring how this groundbreaking technology is transforming the landscape of healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. In healthcare, AI robotics is not only enhancing patient care, but also streamlining complex procedures, making them safer and more precise. In the manufacturing realm, AI robotics is the linchpin in enhancing productivity, reducing errors, and improving worker safety. And in retail, it's reshaping the way we shop, making the experience more personalized and seamless. This is just the tip of the iceberg. With advancements in AI robotics, we can expect more industries to be touched by this revolution, leading to a future that's more efficient, more productive, and more exciting than we can currently imagine. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Future Edge Vision for more content on the latest technological advancements. Remember, the future is now.